Welcome back to Ritual Hobby and Art. Today I have a stained glass nativity set. This was made by my grandmother, probably between the 1940s to the 1970s when I first saw it. So I don't know when she made it, but sometime during the 20th century. The story I got is she made this from stained glass and metal. This was not a kit, though you do see some other nativity sets from that time period, but none of them look like this one. But, you know, we live in an age of Hobby Lobby Michaels, Joann's, AC Moore when it used to be around, being able to go and get a kit and make something. But this is probably from a time before kits. Now, some of you may be very familiar with these type of things. You might be watching this video because you're aware of them. If you know of this being a specific kit, certainly let me know in the comments. But the story I got is that she made this herself and cut the glass and bent the metal. So she was very artistic, and I would not put it past her to be able to do this. It is a very fascinating set. So we have the three wise men, or the Magi. We have Joseph, Mary, and the baby Jesus in the middle. A very beautiful set. It had been kept on her buffet. It was sort of a large cabinet with a glass, a mirror. So glass cabinets, a mirror in the center, and then these were sort of in front of the mirror. That's the way I remember it from my childhood. Then after she passed away, it was put in a box and kept by family, and I acquired it a couple of years ago. And just last year, I started putting it out for the holiday season. And so I've got it out this year, not in this location. I keep it somewhere else. This is my presentation desk and my art desk, kind of cleared away to make room for it. But it's a very beautiful set. Let's look at some of them a little more closely. So just, you know, cutting the glass. Now, some of the ones I've seen online are lead stained glass, and this could be lead stained glass. I don't know. I am in no way, shape, or form a glass expert. So if somebody has a better idea, certainly let me know in the comments. And then it's got a triangle base. The wise men all have a triangle base, and then the center part has a much different base. So here's this one. Turn it around. And it's very interesting how this is done. It's been kept in very good condition, you know, wrapped up in paper in a box. And I keep it wrapped up in paper in a box when I'm not using it, you know, the rest of the year. I just have it out for the holidays, for Christmas. Let's get this other one a little closer. So that's quite an item. Just rotate it around. See, the shepherd's hook is just almost looks like a piece of a clothes hanger. I'm sure that's not what it is, but it's that sort of arrangement. Very thin. Then other components here. Just wow, it's quite a thing. And again, I am not into stained glass art, so I really have no way of comparing this or judging it. It's just as an observer, like yourself, maybe. This is just quite a fascinating piece of art. You know, bending that metal, getting the glass into it, especially down here. You got the little eyes, and I guess they would have put that glass in from back here. And so it's just an incredible collection, an incredible set. And so I present it to you. Happy holidays.